Hey guys, today I'm going to be cooking up a citrus soy salmon that you are guaranteed to love, and it's really simple and basic. You're going to bake the salmon in the oven after you marinate it in this amazing and delicious marinade, which has like an Asian flair to it, okay? These are the ingredients going in. It's fast and easy, and I've got 3 salmon fillets that were frozen, so when they're frozen they kind of lose that really nice vibrant pink reddish color, but regardless it's going to be good. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the marinade. Okay, so get yourself a nice mixing bowl, and you're going to juice the little mandarin oranges. Okay, they're called cuties. No seeds, so just go ahead and squeeze them into the bowl, and I have 2 of them ready. And these are so sweet and delicious, and they give it that amazing citrusy flavor. Just really simple to juice. All right, so 2 of the juiced mandarins, and then next I have some soy sauce, which is going to give it the rich saltiness. Okay, and that was 1/3 of a cup. And then sesame oil, which has a very strong flavor, so you're going to want to put just a smidgen. Okay, about a 1/2 teaspoon. All right, in the words of Emerald Lagasse, we're going to kick it up a notch with some. This is Sriracha, which I love. Okay, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. And for more sweetness, honey, 1/4 a cup of honey, and I like to spray it a little bit with cooking spray because it is so sticky, and that just helps it to pour out better. Little tip for you. Okay, pretty much glides right out. Okay, ginger, key ingredient. So you can use fresh ginger that you peel the hard skin off and grate it, or the squeezeable one, which I love. Sadly, I am a little bit low, so, but it's probably just enough. A tablespoon of fresh ginger. Squeeze the life out of it. There we go. I took out the dried ginger in case I didn't have enough, but I think that looks good. And, oh, salt. Since soy sauce is so salty, do about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 cloves of garlic. And that's it, okay? And then just use a fork or a whisk and get it all mixed together. I don't know about you, but I love Asian food, anything Asian. Stir fries, ramen noodles, egg rolls. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So if time permits, you can marinate this in the fridge for, 30 minutes to an hour. If it doesn't permit, then just go ahead and put it on a baking sheet and bake it, foil lined so it doesn't stick. So this one has the skin. Once you bake it, the skin comes right off, okay? So piece of cake. So I'm using a smallish bowl just so that this gets completely drenched in the marinade. Okay, you want all the pieces to taste amazing. So pour the marinade over the top. Yummy. Ooh, see that? Looks so good. All right, get that dredged in there. Okay. All right. I mean, that was less than 5 minutes, right? So I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for about a 1/2 hour, and then we will come back and get it ready to bake. And this is awesome served with like some fried rice or lo mein or some broccoli. Good, healthy, delicious. Okay, I'm back, and I had the fish marinating in the fridge for about an hour. So I have a foil-lined baking dish that I'm gonna spray with some Pam just to keep it from sticking. And like I said, you want the fish kind of fully immersed in the marinade. So there was one kind of sticking out on top that I flipped over, so it got a lot of juice in it. So gently transfer these to the baking dish. Okay, they just fit. All right, and then pour the marinade over the top. Okay, and the beeping has indicated that the oven is ready. So the oven is at 400 degrees, and these are gonna take between 15 and 20 minutes. So I'm gonna time it for 15. We'll see how they look at that point. The fish should just fall apart and be really flaky, and then you'll know it's done. So I'm popping it in and I'll be back. Okay, the fish was done at 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna show you how easy the skin comes off, like it's already lifting off. So you can put it upside down on a plate and then just take a fork and peel it off like in one piece. Look at that. Easy peasy, right? And then feed it to your dog or your cat or throw it down the disposal, your choice. Okay, so, oh my gosh, it's just like, it's falling apart. It looks so delicious. I'm just gonna go, I gotta take a bite. I gotta dip it in this marinade and then, you know, drizzle the marinade over the top for extra juiciness. Mmm. Wow. So darn good. So darn good. A must make. Remember, serve it with something yummy and you have a complete meal. Remember that all my recipes are down below, and I encourage you to share with your friends and go out and have yourself a fantastic day. Thanks so much for watching.